Okay, so I wound up doing a rebuild on my Alenax transbars on my TRB 5000. The drivetrain was replaced a few years back, but I do ride this bike, ride it hard and ride it quite a bit. I found out that these screws that secure the pivots for the transbar to shift gears had been bent from my riding it. Specifically, the ones that bear all the load, the center ones. The outer ones were nice and straight. So what I did was I took the bent ones and swapped them around for the ones that have no load on them. So this one now is bent, this one is straight, bent, straight, bent, straight. The action of the shifting is a lot smoother now. Now these catches stop the chain mechanism from going up or down depending on shifting. I'm going to pull the cable on it now to show the different positions on it. And that allows the cable to slide up or down for the different speeds on it. First, second, third, and fourth. It's a 4-speed.